In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your subscription settings on Hostinger by turning off the auto-renewal feature. This is an essential step if you're planning to switch providers or simply want to manage your expenses effectively. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. If you're not already logged in, open your browser and type in the Hostinger website URL. Once you're there, in the top right corner of the home page, you'll find the login option. Click on it and enter your account credentials. Make sure you have your email address and password ready. If you happen to have two-factor authentication activated, keep your phone nearby so you can enter the verification code. Logging in is important because it gives you access to all the features, including billing settings. Once you're logged in, and on the main dashboard, we'll head over to the billing section. Look towards the left side of your screen for the menu. From here, click on Billing. Under this tab, you'll see a few different options pop up. What you want to do next is select Services. This area is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the services you've subscribed to under your Hostinger account. After you've clicked on Services, you'll need to identify the specific service for which you want to turn off auto-renewal. Carefully look through your list and click on the service you're interested in managing. Each service will have its own settings, so make sure you're handling the correct one. Now, the critical part of our process is to disable the auto-renewal feature for the selected service. This is typically located within the service management section. Look for a toggle or button labeled auto-renewal. You might find that it's turned on by default. Clicking this toggle will change the setting from active to inactive. Make sure the setting reflects your intention to disable it. When you've toggled the auto-renewal option off, double check that the change has been registered correctly. There should be an immediate update reflecting that auto-renewal has been disabled. This helps ensure that you won't be automatically billed once your current subscription period ends. Finally, to conclude this process, make sure to confirm your changes. Hostinger may prompt you with a confirmation message or pop-up to finalize the action. It might say something like, "Are you sure you want to disable auto-renewal?" Just click confirm, and that's it. You've successfully disabled auto-renewal on your Hostinger account for the selected service. This simple action gives you more control over your account and billing, allowing you to manage when and how your services are renewed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like these.